Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun.
An OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. I recommend these. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas that I'm going to make a background out of. This is Frosted Berry. I have no plan other than to spread some paint in pleasant ways, I hope. This is Decor Iridescent Pearl. I always wanted to start with a light background because I can always add darks, but I can't add lights very easily. So this is, hard to remember the name of, light purple, Periwinkle. This is Snapdragon. This is Perfect Indigo. I'm not sure why I'm using this now. Maybe just because it's fun. This is Tickled Pink. Some Dancing Fuchsia. Some Frozen, which I'm not sure is shaken. Red Violet. Oh, that's closed. I want that too. This is Amethyst with, it's Modern Masters Amethyst with Eggplant, purely pigment, which I should have cleaned some other way because I just plugged the tip. Alright, I've got Modern Masters Venetian Blue. At some point in time I might want some turquoise. Maybe that time is now. Oh, I've got it. Cool. This is Vibrant Aqua, what's left of it. I can't find any more, so might as well use it. If it'll come out at all. Ah, it's plugged. Yeah, I'm glad I got that out of there. Well, we made a mess, but it's par for the course. I don't call it paint pouring for nothing. Alright, I'm going to get these two bottles, at least this one bottle, out of the way. Not sure what to do with the black. The black's coming right up. Get that out of the way also. Could have added some cell activator, I suppose. I still could. I think the paint needs to be heavier than I have intentions of leaving it. Now, I've never done this before, but I'm thinking about putting black, wet black in. I have plenty of paint. If I really want to do the cell activator, I suppose it's not too late. And the cell activator that I like, after I get rid of that thing that does not belong, whatever it is, don't know, that was weird, is Dancing Fuchsia. So let's just use some of that. I think we're going to put some white in there as well. Everything's a little more plugged than I would prefer it to be. I just wiped out a whole bunch of beautiful cells. Oh well. Maybe I'll just keep going because I like what I'm seeing. I had silver, but it seized up. This is gold cell activator, which with blue might turn green. Good chance, actually. Maybe if I don't overmix it, I'll be better off. Some Amsterdam Black. My cell activators are all made with Australian Floetrol. I've never been quite so liberal with them as I am right now. That's nice, the gold actually worked. As good as the black. I don't know what happened to the black. The black always works, and it's not working right now. Now, what am I missing? I kind of want more turquoise. Maybe the frozen will work. Hopefully. Because I've got my background now. I think more white, but I'm not sure how that's going to be if I don't get to it pretty quick. Oh, I pulled out some gold spray paint. I'll have to check and see what it is. I sprayed off a little bit. I know I'm going to want some orange on top of these white areas eventually. I'm being called to some perfect indigo. Basically just entertaining myself at this point. I like that perfect indigo. I think I'm going to have more. I'm going to try that gold. Everything is paint overable. It may not even work. It's the first time for everything. It's a Rust-Oleum product, is all I remember at the moment. Oh, there we go. That's pretty cool. I still want to put some orange in there, even though it's not time yet. Let's use the rest of the gold, because it's no point hanging on to it. It worked better in some places than others. I could just leave the splashes. I kind of like them. I never did do the black again, but it's not too late. I want to use some black so bad. The black cell activator was only a tease, especially since it didn't work, strangely enough. Alright, I just heard the call to some green, which is really weird. But I think it might work. We can try it and see. don't think I like it. So what does that mean? That I should put something darker over it. I want more white. Because the white will give me the availability of putting the orange in place. There's no pink. I might have to wipe my spatula off after all this. Alright, outside of putting marks in, that's probably it for now. But I could change my mind in a second. I don't mind that little bit of green up there. My mark making tools are Wilton. So if I really want to put some orange in, I can. If I don't smooth it into place, it'll just float on top. Let's see how it feels. You can always manipulate it with the silicone brush too. Let's try a little of that. To start, not sure that's the color I really want. I'm loving these cute little cells. I want some more pink. I think it's going to have to be Tickle Pink. Yeah, I like that. Kind of interested in trying some silver. And where did I put it? Right there. Not sure about those pink things, but I do have a balloon handy, so that might be fun. Yeah, I like it. I want more of that aqua that I'm almost out of. Fortunately, I left it on its side, so maybe we can still get some. Still plugged. Red violet. I could use chain in this too. That would be pretty cool, actually. There are no rules right now. If I should have left somewhere I could find it. There it is, right there. I don't know why I don't do it more often. That had a chunk of something in it. Not sure what the spray paint does to things. It seems to make some glop. That's probably par for the course. Not sure I like that. Throw my chain in the bucket. I want some more white. I have some Amsterdam white mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800, and I haven't used it yet. And that's not shiny or metallic or pearlescent or anything else. But I just want to use it. I don't think I'm helping anything, and I liked it how it was, so I think I better stop, or at least contemplate what I want more than I have. This is bugging me. You know what? It's going to be black cell activator, just in case. And that gold does have bubbles in it. So I want to pop most of those before they have a chance to dry. And then see, something rather large needs to go away. Go on, off my tweezer view. Off my finger, very sticky. Some more dancing fuchsia. Which will obviously dry a lot darker. Oh, I like that. That was an improvement. I'm not entirely sure I don't want to do that right down the middle in the areas I just created by scraping with my spatula. Every once in a while I see a place I need to put something, and I hope I remember it. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so this is dry. It's the next day. And I'm not too thrilled with it. It looks a lot like something I did already that was okay. But my intention is, that was white pearl from DecoArt. My intention is to spread some colors over the top of things and then scrape through. That was pink diamond. Very similar to the water lily I just put down, so I'll pick something else. Let's go with some frosted berry. Got some colors to make in the meantime. That was dancing fuchsia. This is snapdragon. I want a little DecoArt silver, which I probably should wait. I'll wait on that. I need to use up a color. There it is. It's Rhapsody Rose. So they're all kind of similar, and this is pink carnation. And if I get a good light spot, I'll probably add some orange over it. I'm not really sure what I'm doing at all at this point, but I do need to get those bottles out of my way. I still want some orange. And I like a few things about this. I like the little cells. Now if I leave my paint heavy enough, I can add my orange in. I've always wanted to do this, and now I'm doing it. Just cover a painting and then use my spatula to move some paint away. Or some toothy tools, and I've got those all on deck. And I'm still thinking about black. But I'm liking adding the orange a lot. I just know that I don't have much time because it needs to stay wet in order for me to carve out what I have in mind. And I'm thinking, maybe for the first time ever, of adding some black. I might still add some white pearl in this case. I like this gold zone over here. I'm really tempted to add a little bit of Venetian blue before I add my black, if I'm still going to add my black. I think I might like a little bit of Perfect Indigo with that. Still want some black. I might be sorry, but I still want some. Ready to wipe off my spatula. It's just getting a little too much yunk. Ginseng fuchsia. Frosted berry. Never did wipe off my spatula. I think I want something bright, tickled pink. Okay, I've done this before. I'm still having fun. I need a canvas to wipe off my tool with, or a rag. I guess a paper towel will do. Usually I'm willing to put it down somewhere else. I want to get outside of my comfort zone, but I don't really want to completely annihilate this either. I think I want some saffron. Yes. Very much so. Using toothy tools does create little nubbies. If you don't wipe them off, they get to be kind of sticky. Now, the one thing I've been thinking about doing, other than adding more black, lost that thought completely when that hit me. I'd like it to come back. Yeah, I'm liking that. I was thinking yellow. And it's open. Kind of like it when weird stuff comes down. Like, that is definitely weird, but also kind of cool. I wanted to grab a clean Q-tip. I've got one spiral over here. That's not what I want to do. I want to see if I can pick paint up. In this case, put it down. I don't really want to do a lot else to this. I do want to steal a little bit of black, or just use my finger. Finish that stroke there. Yeah, I like peekaboo. I like carving away color to expose other colors. Sometimes I like putting it down again. Alright, that's pretty.